Good morning, everyone. This is Standard 6 Science. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 11, Light, Shadow, and Reflection. Okay, first introduction about this chapter is when we see at night, when we enter a dark room, we are not able to see anything. As soon as we switch on a bulb or a tube light, we are able to see everything around us. What enables us to see the things around us? When a bulb or a tube light is switched on, that means light we are getting. Thus, we need light to see the things around us. So, light is a form of energy and is essential for life on the earth. Okay, and what happens when the light falls on? Okay, it reflects the light, and when the light reflected light reaches our eyes, then we see the object. Okay, here what happened, the torch light is getting on the object, and this light reflected back to the eyes of a person, of a child. Then this child can see the image object. So here also it is seen when the light, this is a source of light, when it comes to an object and it falls to the reflected back to the eyes of a person, then what happens, we are able to see the object here. So one important point you can see here, the light always moves in a straight line, it travels in a straight line. And the common phenomena of light are formation of shadow, because of the light shadow formation is there, formation of images by the mirror and lenses, bending of light by a medium, twinkling of stars, formation of rainbow. Okay, this occurs due to the light. Okay, now we are reading the sources of light. Okay, an object that gives out light is called source of light. It may be bulb. Okay, we are talking about two categories, that is a natural source and the human made source, or called artificial source. The first we are reading about the natural source. Okay, and this is the artificial light source. So here you can also see first natural source of light. Okay, the source of light that occurs in a nature are called natural source of light. Example, sun, stars, fireflies. Okay, some deep sea organisms are also there which has of natural source. Okay, now comes to the second one, that is the artificial light source. We made it, human made it. The sources of light which have been made by humans are called human made source of light. Example, burning candle. You can see here the burning candles. Okay, now another example is that lamp, matches, and here fireflies. You can see the fire, candles are there here. This is the candles. Okay, this is the candles, this is the candle. So they are included in the artificial or human made source of light. Okay, and lighted bulbs are also there, lighted torches are also there. Okay, kerosene lamp oil is also there, which is a human made source light or artificial source of light. Here you can see about the candles, matches, lamp. Okay, now next topic we are going to study about the bioluminescence. Okay, before starting the bioluminescence, one important discussion is that the light bulb was invented in 1979, Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, before this invention, before the invention of the bulb, okay, fire from the wood is used, candle light, oil lamps were used to light the street. Okay, now we are seeing about the bioluminescence. Okay, so what is the bioluminescence? This is the natural source of lights like stars, moon, sun. Moon does not have its own light. Okay, the moonlight is just reflection of the sunlight. Now, stars also there. Stars are the other source of natural source of light. They have their own lights, and they are even brighter than the sun. Also, they are so far away from us that they are seen in the night only as a twinkling point in the sky. Now, bioluminescence. Okay, what is bioluminescence? Bioluminescence is the light, natural source of light. Like some of our animals can produce their own light naturally. These are called bioluminescence. Okay, and here why the light comes out? Because of the chemical reaction occurs inside the firefly. Why firefly gives the light? Because they have some enzyme known as luciferase, and the chemical known as luciferin. Okay, the reaction occurs and the enzymes activate. Okay, so the light is being given. Okay, light given by an organism. Okay, occurs at all depth in all the ocean also, fireflies also. Okay, the coral, shrimp, squid, okay, jellyfish, fireflies, these most occurs within the twilight zone of the ocean, where the bioluminescence is a primary source of light. Okay, why it is used? It is use their lights to find the prey, to attract the prey. Okay, to attract the prey. Okay, now here you can see the here you can see the fireflies giving the lights. They have an enzyme known as luciferase and the chemical known as luciferin. Because of the reaction of this chemical, okay, and activation of this enzyme, the bioluminescence occurs. Natural source of light is occurs. Okay, thank you dear.